Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable notifications for private chats on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. If your Telegram messages aren't showing pop-ups or sound alerts anymore, don't worry, we'll fix that step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account and that the app is updated to the newest version. The latest update slightly changed where the notification settings are located, so let's go over exactly how to find them. Once you've opened Telegram, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. That's the main menu button. Click on those three lines to open the sidebar menu. From there, select Settings. This will open a new window with several options related to your account, privacy, and general preferences. In this menu, click on Notifications and Sounds. Now, you'll see a list of notification categories such as private chats, group messages, and channels. To set up alerts for your personal conversations, choose private chats. Inside this section, you'll find several controls for how you want notifications to appear. If the toggle for notifications is turned off, that means you won't receive any alerts for individual chats. Simply turn it on to enable notifications. While you're here, you can also customize your alert preferences. For example, you can choose whether to show message previews, play sound, or show a pop-up notification. Adjust these options according to your preferences so you don't miss important messages. After you've turned notifications back on, close the settings window. Your changes are automatically saved and you're good to go. Now, whenever someone messages you privately on Telegram, you'll immediately see or hear a notification on your PC. And that's all there is to it.